Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Swap. Today's amazing recipe which I love the most is the keto pizza. Yes, it's a very simple one. Most of you might think there's a butter paper requirement. Is it a fathead pizza? Do I have to have lots of cheese? Or how do I maintain my macros? No, it's not necessary. It's a simple ultra low carb pizza and it will be approximately like 6 carbs in total for the whole pizza. Yep, including your ingredients. I mean, it depends on what ingredients do you use, but yes, of course you can check on very low carb ingredients. There are many. You can eat lots of vegetables. In fact, the best part of the pizza is you can have vegetables or protein or anything on the same pizza base, and you can have a full complete satiating meal, and then you will not feel hungry. You are satisfied with your pizza and you're enjoying it. So it's the one of the best recipes I ever created, and you would love this one. So let's check it out. How to do it is simple. How to eat it is much more simple. You will be finishing it in less time than you have made it. So it's a 5-minute pizza, that is it, and it's not made in an oven. It's eggless, it's vegan. If you are using vegan cheese, then it's a completely vegan, and it's completely eggless, no yeast necessary. It's a thin crust pizza base, so, and it's made on a tawa, and in approximately 2 to 3 minutes, that is it. That is what you require for the entire process of pizza making and all. So let's go and check it out, guys. So for the pizza base, I'm using this base made out of Sugar Swap's ultra low carb plain atta. You can make it out of methi atta or garlic atta too, just to enhance the flavor or add the flavor to your base. I just keep them, make them and keep them ready so that I can use them for wraps or pizzas or anything which is even puris also. I make puris also with them. So this is a very versatile atta which we can use for any recipe for which you have been using the regular atta for. Right now I'm using this base for making a pizza. So I have just spread Sugar Swap's sugar-free ketchup, tomato spicy ketchup, and then spread it out, and I'm adding mozzarella cheese. You can add a blend of parmesan mozzarella or parmesan mozzarella ricotta. That's your completely choice according to your macros. And I'm adding lots of vegetables to that. I love a vegetable pizza like capsicum, tomato, onion, and lots of chili. I really just love spice. You can skip it if you don't want it, but that's your choice. Ingredients is totally your choice. I'm adding some paneer also to it, and I'm making this veggie paneer kind of pizza today. So you guys can completely opt out of it, or you can add anything else also into it. I add spinach to it. So now since we are making this pizza on a tawa and not in an oven, which you don't even require, we will be heating a tawa. I'm using the iron tawa, and I'm just keeping the stove on low heat. And once the tawa is hot enough, it should not be too high because it will burn the pizza, but then it should be hot enough. That is it. The temperature should be even, and also then we are placing the pizza, but it's still soft. The crust should be lifting up from the pan like it's doing it now. It takes approximately a minute and a half or 2 minutes, and that is it. See, the crust is it's jumping. This is what we are looking at. The crust should be crisper. See, there's a gap between the plate and the crust. So this is how we are looking at the pizza. So now the pizza is ready, and we are going to slice it and have an amazing lunch. And you let me know if you loved it, and you can add any ingredients to it, chicken, mutton, or fish, or whatever, I don't know, prawns. That's completely your choice. See how cheesy it is, and the layer is completely crispy and crunchy, and I really just enjoy this one. Hope you guys enjoy it too. If you love this video, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have tried it, or how did it turn out for you, what ingredients did you use, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting many keto recipes which are simple and easy, so that your keto journey is a breeze, right? See you.